Daily rinse cycle. Open the door and place the normal program rinse switch to the rinse position. Close the door and place a minimum 400 milliliter container under the dispense nozzle. Press the button under rinse on the screen. Press any beverage selection button. The dispenser will automatically run hot water through both soluble mixing chambers and flush the espresso brew chamber with hot water. After the rinse cycle is complete, discard the rinse water collected in the container. Finally, open the dispenser door and place the normal program rinse switch back to the normal position. Daily parts washing. Daily remove and wash the drip tray cover and place in a mild detergent solution. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Replace the drip tray. Wipe the lower front panel, door, and cabinet with a clean, damp cloth. Clean cycle. Open the door and put the normal program rinse switch to the rinse position. Press the button under Clean on the screen. When the screen prompts you to add cleaning tablet, open the dispenser door and drop in a cleaning tablet into the opening of the espresso brew chamber. Close the dispenser door and place a minimum 500 milliliter container under the dispenser nozzles. Press the button under Next. When the screen displays Press Dispense to start, press any beverage dispenser button to begin the cleaning cycle. The screen will show Cleaning Cycle in Progress. Press any button to stop. When the cleaning cycle is complete, the screen will display Select Mode, Rinse Clean. Discard the wastewater collected from the cleaning cycle and open the dispenser door. Place the normal program rinse switch to the normal position. Espresso brew chamber. We recommend that you clean the espresso brew chamber after every 2,000 cycles. Begin by removing the espresso brew group head and clean with the provided brush and warm water. Remove the sieve head and cake pusher and clean in lukewarm water only, paying attention to the channels. Insert the cleaning brush into each side of the brewer housing and under lukewarm water. Turn the cogs and reassemble the brewer. Make sure that the gear wheels are aligned for sieve head insertion. Reattach the water inlet hose and place the brewer back in the drive unit. Reconnect the outlet hose and, if present, slide the red retaining clip to the right.